How we doing, boys?
Doing good.
What are we doing out here?
About to jump out of a plane, right?
Yeah.
You celebrating a birthday?
It's my birthday, 81, and these are my grandkids.
Well, thank you for bringing them out. Yeah.
Grandpa's about to get it.
Yeah. So
something you've always wanted to do?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, you ready? We're gonna go. We're gonna fly up, open that door. Time to experience.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll talk when we get down.
Good to go.
What do you think?
It was awesome.
What's your favorite part?
Oh man, speed and the free fall was dope.
Yeah.
Dope.
Do it again?
Oh yeah.
You ready right now?
Maybe tomorrow.
Hell yeah, Dom. Anything you want to say to anybody back home?
Grandpa, that was for you, buddy. Love you.
Let's watch him land, dude.